Today, we are solving WASSCE November 2010 Question 9b. This is an angles of elevation problem involving a tower and two observation points. The question says, a man who is 1.7 meters tall observes the angle of elevation of the top of a tower to be 35 degrees. He then moves 50 meters away from the tower. From a new position, the angle of elevation is 28 degrees. We're asked to find how far above the ground the top of the tower is, correct to three significant figures. Study the diagram carefully. This prepares us for the next step. This part is very important. The angle of elevation is measured from the man's eye level, not from the ground. So, UT is only the height of the tower above the man's eye level. The full height of the tower above the ground is OT equals OU plus UT. Since OU equals 1.7 meters, the final tower height will be H plus 1.7. Let the horizontal distance from the closer point, S, to the tower be x. The man moves 50 meters away from the tower, so RS equals 50 meters. Therefore, the distance from the farther point, R, to the tower is RU equals 50 plus x. The height, TU, is the same in both right-angled triangles. So we write one expression for TU using the 35 degrees triangle and another expression for TU using the 28 degrees triangle. Then we equate them. From triangle TUS, the angle at S is 35 degrees. The opposite side is TU, and the adjacent side is SU. So we use tangent, because tangent is opposite over adjacent. Since SU equals x, we substitute x for the adjacent side. To make TU the subject, multiply both sides by x. We call this equation 1. Now use triangle TUR. The angle at R is 28 degrees. The opposite side is still TU, and the adjacent side is RU. Again, we use tangent because tangent is opposite over adjacent. Since RU equals 50 plus x, we substitute 50 plus x for the adjacent side. To make TU the subject, multiply both sides by 50 plus x. We call this equation 2. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now consider this step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. TU equals x tan of 35 degrees. TU equals 50 plus x tan of 28 degrees. Both expressions are equal to the same height, TU. Therefore, we set them equal. This is the main equation we solve to find x. X tan of 35 degrees equals 50 plus x tan of 28 degrees. 50 plus x over x equals tan of 35 degrees over tan of 28 degrees. Tan of 35 degrees over tan of 28 degrees equals 1.3169. 50 plus x over x equals 1.3169. Fifty plus x over x equals 1.3169. Fifty plus x equals 1.3169x. 50 equals 1.3169x. 50 equals 0.3169x. X equals 50 over 0.3169. X equals 157.8 meters. TU equals x tan of 35 degrees. TU equals 157.8 tan of 35 degrees. Now that we know x, use equation 1 to find TU, the height above the man's eye level. Substitute x equals 157.8. This gives TU equals 110.49 meters. The question asks for the height of the top of the tower above the ground. But TU begins from the man's eye level. So we must add the man's height, 1.7 meters. So the tower height above the ground is 112.19 meters. OT equals 112.19 meters. OT 112 meters. Correct to three significant figures, 112.19 meters becomes 112 meters. Therefore, the top of the tower is 112 meters above the ground. SU equals x. RU equals 50 plus x. TU equals x tan of 35 degrees. TU equals 50 plus x tan of 28 degrees. X equals 157.8 meters. TU equals 110.49 meters. OT equals TU plus 1.7. To summarize, we let the closer distance be x, so the farther distance became 50 plus x. We formed two tangent equations for the same height, TU, equated them, solved for x, found TU, and finally added the man's height to get 112 meters. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step mathematics lessons.